Hey, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, in this my first video in this vocational school. I want to make a video about how to routing in MTCNA model. Okay, so the first is what routing is. Routing is taking from the word there is root, or for the easy way you can say that finding some way to reach the communication, and further meaning is the way to connect in between the first router with the second router, so that after they can connect it they can communication each other. And also, how many types of root or routing? There are two. The first is the static root and the second is dynamic root. The first is the static root. Static root is routing that is created by manually adding the routing table. So as we can know that static root, that we need to add that we need to finding our self root to connect it with other router. So that's more a little bit hard than dynamic root. And also, static root is you guys using the static IP, so not using the dynamic. Yes, and for the static root we need to setting by ourselves, and that's a little bit hard than dynamic root. For the dynamic root, we need to we only just create by enabling the protocol function on the router, so the router will automatically find its own route. So it's more easier than the static root. Like you just only to enable the protocol function in the router. There's the feature in the application of the Winbox. So after that, the router will be automatically find its own route to connect it with the nearest router. Okay, so these are the root flag, or I mean the sign of the root. The first there is the D, there is dynamic, and after that there is A, that is active, and after that the C is connected, and the S is static, O is OSPF, R is RIP, B is BGP, M is MME, P is black hole, P is prohibit, U is unreachable, and X is disabled. So as we can see in example in here, there is the flag is the AC in here, and the first in here. So the AC mean is the D is dynamic, and A is active, and the C is connected. Or we can see also in here the DAO, dynamic active OSPF, or other in here. The R is RIP, and and others. Or sometimes if the root list after checklist the default gateway, or yes, default gateway or default root, so it will show the 0 and the status or the flag will be shown as the DAS, or dynamic active static, or sometimes there's also AS, active static. Alright, so now we're gonna go to the lab in here. Maybe I will not tell with the application of the Winbox because of I forgot to take it's need two person or two router. So I will just make the imagine how to do routing with other router. So the first, before we go to in here, we must open the control panel. We must open the control panel, and you must setting the IP first, not using the Optan AP address, but you guys must using the static IP. So in here we can see the router 1 with the router 2. Here, the first we need to change the IP is into this, or you guys can using the other IP. Maybe you guys can using the other IP that you guys think. But for example, in here, 192, 192.168.1.2/24. This is for the IP in here, and after that for the gateway, you guys must setting to. There is the 192, 198, 1, and 1. It's also same with the second PC or the PCB. You guys only need to change the third number in here, that is to be 2, and also same like the gateway. And for the router, you guys must setting first the router at the menu that you guys can open the IP button and open the addresses, and after that you guys can add a new router, that is the 19. Oh, yes. Oh, no. I mean, this. You guys can make the for the error 1. There is 10, 10, 10, 1 /30. Also same like this. The router, the second router in here. Only need to change the last number, that is 2. And for the error 2, oh yeah, error 2 also same. You guys to make the new addresses, so that guys when using the root list and input the number of the IP, they can reachable and connect. Okay, wait. Oh, it got loading still load in here. So I will tell it. After you guys open the root list, you guys can open the system or yeah, in system or IP, I forgot. You guys can open the root, and after that, you guys there is the, well, let me open first in here. What happened with this image? Wait, let me pause first. Okay, so let's we continue again. There is the malfunction in here because of the network. So the next is we need to open the root list, and after that we need to set the destination address. So the destination address is using the using we need to using the root between the router, the cable between router and PCB, that is the 192.168.2 and 0. So that is between between this cable with this PCB. So we need to add this, and the under of the menu, that is we need to input the gateway. The gateway, there is this, that is, wait, hold on a second. Well, I don't know what happened. Okay, we need to add our second router gateway that is that put connected at the other one. There's the 10 second, yeah, second. And after that, after you guys already put the already input the gateway and the destination address, you guys can click apply and then okay. And after that, for the second router in here, also same. You guys only need to input the IP at the destination address, and there is the between the first PC with the first router. So that is the 168.1.0 /24. And after that, for the gateway is only you guys only need to change the from the second into the first one. And after that, like usually, you guys can apply and click OK. Alright, wait. I will show first the screenshot in here. The screenshot. I don't know what happened. Wait. Let me show you. Let me show you first the. Wait, let me remove. Oops. Oh no. My network. Here. Wait, let's see first. Okay, it show. After you guys click apply and OK in the router, it will show the status, that is the AS or active static. Why active static? Because the active is mean they already reachable in here. They already reach each other and can communicate each other between the either one between the first router with the second router. And the static means is this because our method there is the static route. Okay, and maybe that's all from me, and I'm really sorry if I have a mistake and have some problem. And as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.